Ever wonder what makes a Heineken taste like a Heineken? It's a question that has intrigued beer lovers for generations. Is it the iconic green bottle that catches your eye on the shelf? Or perhaps the distinctive red star that has become synonymous with quality and tradition? It's not just the green bottle or the red star. While these elements are certainly part of the brand's identity, the real magic happens inside the bottle. The secret to Heineken's unique flavor lies in something much smaller yet incredibly powerful. The secret's a tiny little helper yeast, but not just any yeast. Heineken uses a special strain of yeast that has been carefully cultivated and protected for over a century. This yeast, known as Heineken A yeast, is the cornerstone of the beer's distinctive taste. Heineken uses the same type of yeast, nicknamed Heineken A yeast, in almost every bottle around the world. This consistency ensures that no matter where you are, when you crack open a Heineken, you get the same great taste every time. It's a commitment to quality that few other breweries can match. Talk about sticking to what works. This dedication to maintaining the original recipe is a testament to Heineken's belief in their product. They know that their unique yeast strain is what sets them apart, and they go to great lengths to preserve it. This yeast has been passed down through generations like a special family recipe. It's a living link to the past, connecting today's beer drinkers with the original brewers who first discovered its potential. The history of Heineken is rich with stories of innovation and tradition, all centered around this remarkable yeast. It gives Heineken that crisp, refreshing taste we all know. Whether you're enjoying a cold one at a bar with friends or relaxing at home, you can always count on that familiar flavor to deliver satisfaction. It's a taste that has stood the test of time, beloved by beer enthusiasts around the globe. Now let's take a closer look at how this famous beer is made, from the grain to the glass. The journey of a Heineken beer is a fascinating process that combines traditional brewing techniques with modern technology. From the selection of the finest barley grains to the meticulous brewing process, every step is designed to ensure the highest quality. So next time you enjoy a Heineken, you'll know just what goes into making that perfect pint. Heineken. The name alone conjures up images of good times, laughter, and camaraderie. It's a brand that has become synonymous with social gatherings and celebrations. Whether you're at a bustling party, a quiet get-together with close friends, or even just enjoying a moment of solitude, Heineken has a way of making the experience special. The name brings to mind fun times, hanging out with friends, and creating memories that last a lifetime. It's not just about the beer, it's about the moments that come with it, the clinking of bottles, the shared laughter, and the stories that unfold over a cold one. And let's not forget that famous green bottle. It's instantly recognizable, a symbol of quality and tradition. The green bottle isn't just a container, it's a part of the experience. When you see it, you know you're in for something special. It's more than just a beer, it's known everywhere. From the bustling streets of New York to the serene canals of Amsterdam, Heineken is a global icon. It's a beer that transcends borders and cultures, bringing people together no matter where they are. Starting way back in 1864 in Amsterdam, Heineken has a rich history that adds to its charm. It began as a small brewery, but with a commitment to quality and innovation, it quickly grew. The story of Heineken is one of passion, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Heineken grew from a small brewery to one of the biggest beer brands in the world. Today, it stands as a testament to what can be achieved with vision and hard work. The modern brewing facilities are a far cry from the humble beginnings, but the essence of Heineken remains unchanged. But being big means you have to be good, especially when it comes to keeping the taste that made Heineken famous. Quality control is paramount, and every bottle of Heineken undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the high standards set over a century ago. Think of baking a cake. The process requires precision and care. You can change a few things, but if you change too much, it won't taste the same. The same principle applies to brewing beer. You can tweak the recipe, but the core ingredients and methods must remain consistent to preserve the unique flavor. This is why Heineken is so meticulous about their brewing process. They understand that their beer is more than just a product, it's a legacy. That's why Heineken is so careful about how they make their beer. Every step, from selecting the finest ingredients to the fermentation process, is done with precision. It's this attention to detail that has made Heineken a beloved brand for generations. So, the next time you enjoy a Heineken, remember that you're not just drinking a beer. You're partaking in a tradition that spans over 150 years. Imagine ordering a Heineken in a busy bar in Rio, and then having another one in a quiet pub in Dublin. You'd want them to taste the same, right? That's why consistency is important. Heineken works hard to make sure every sip, anywhere in the world, tastes the same. This means following strict rules during the whole brewing process. From the ingredients to how it's made, every step is checked and double-checked, because nobody wants a Heineken that tastes watered down. Making beer all over the world isn't easy. Different water, different weather, and even small changes in the ingredients can change how the beer tastes. That's where Heineken's skill comes in. They're experts at making the same great beer everywhere. It's like leading a band, making sure every instrument plays together nicely. Heineken has skilled brewers and technicians all over the world, trained to follow their rules. They work hard to make sure every bottle of Heineken is as good as the last. Let's talk about how Heineken is made. It's a fascinating journey that starts with the simplest of ingredients but ends with a product enjoyed by millions around the world. The process is a blend of tradition, precision, and a bit of magic. Like most beers, it starts with 4 things. Water, which is the most abundant ingredient. The quality of water is crucial as it forms the base of the beer. Heineken ensures that the water used is pure and free from any impurities, which is essential for the brewing process. Then we have barley, hops, and yeast. Barley is the soul of the beer, providing the necessary sugars for fermentation. Hops add the bitterness and aroma, balancing the sweetness of the malt. Yeast is the magical microorganism that ferments the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Sounds simple, right? But the magic is in how it's done. The brewing process is a delicate dance of timing, temperature, and technique. Each step is meticulously monitored to ensure consistency and quality. The brewers at Heineken are like artists, carefully crafting each batch to perfection. Heineken uses a special 2-step process with the barley to give their beer its light color and smooth taste. This involves malting the barley to convert the starches into fermentable sugars, followed by mashing, where the malt is mixed with hot water to extract these sugars. They use only the best hops, adding just the right amount of bitter flavor. The hops are carefully selected and measured to ensure the perfect balance of bitterness and aroma. This step is crucial as it defines the character of the beer. And the water? Many breweries change their water, but Heineken uses the local water, which adds a unique touch to each batch. The local water source is tested regularly to ensure it meets the high standards required for brewing. This not only adds a distinct flavor but also connects the beer to its place of origin, making each sip a unique experience. Remember that special yeast we talked about? Heineken A yeast isn't just any yeast. It's been used by Heineken for over 130 years. It gives Heineken its fruity smell and clean taste. During brewing, the yeast turns the sugar from the barley into alcohol and bubbles. But unlike other yeasts that sink to the bottom, Heineken's yeast floats on top. This, along with using special tanks, makes a beer that's less bitter and easier to drink. It shows how much Heineken cares about making great beer. From the ingredients to the brewing and quality checks, Heineken works hard to make a great beer every time. They know their reputation depends on it. So next time you open a Heineken, think about the history and care that goes into each sip. It shows what happens when tradition, new ideas, and quality come together. Heineken isn't just making beer, they're making an experience. And that's worth celebrating. We all have a Heineken story. Maybe it was your first beer, a memory from a trip, or your favorite drink after a long day. Share your Heineken story in the comments below. Speaking of famous beers, let's hop over to Ireland. Next we're exploring Guinness, a beer with a history as rich as its flavor. Stay tuned.